student, this is Nishit Kumar Jodhar in front of you. I want to request you all of you to join my class. This is my second segment of the topics, completing sentences. Okay, dear students, we first of all, first segment we also learned some things about from different rules or different criteria of the completing sentence. Second segment we also learned about the complete sentence, since another part of the sentence that calls as conditional. So today's topic is a complete sentence, and on the other hand it also be combined as a conditional. You know, there are many conditional four types. There are conditional maybe four types. First one is first condition, second condition, third condition, and top of the condition is top of the condition it bears as zero condition. Zero condition. So first condition always remain will, can, may plus verb present from. Second condition would, might plus base form of verb. Third condition would have, could have, might have plus past participle form of the main verb. And zero condition also be also combined. I also told you that this is the top of the condition. It is a subject verb present. That's mean the condition always represent as present tense. No need to use here modal verb. Okay, dear student, try to go. Let us go our topics. First condition. First condition. First condition. I also know that condition. Condition means a conditional things. At last, if I can say, if you help me, I will help you. It's a condition. It's a criteria. If you take a vast preparation for the exam, you will make a good result. This is a condition, because one condition depends on other colors. Okay. First condition. If I take vast preparation for the exam. First condition means if plus present plus future. If plus present plus future. If plus present indefinite plus future. Plus future indefinite tense. That's mean first condition contains or remains present indefinite tense. Then the conditional or sentence utterance will be future indefinite tense. That's mean if I take past preparation for the exam or for the coming exam, so I will recall you that you will have to use will, can, may or based from the verb. If I take past preparation for the exam, I will make a good result. Make a good result. You have to complete the other part of the utterance. It may be here also given one part. You have to complete the other part. Or on the other hand, you have to given the second steps. You have to complete first steps. Those are correct. So if I take past preparation for the exam, I will make a good result, or I will get a better result for the exam. Okay, unless or if plus not. If the sentence remains negative sense or negative, so your answer will be negative or negative sense. Otherwise, you can use this answer in positive way. So you have to understand the sentence, you have to remain the sentence, then try to answer the sentence. That's mean if a man does not work hard. If a man does not work hard. If a man does not work hard, he will not shine in life. He will not shine in life, he will not prosper in life, or he will be left behind. Okay, those things will be correct. That's mean unless means a negative. If plus not also negative. If you have to understand sentence that it meaning as a negative sense, you can answer the sentence in negative way, or you can answer the sentence in positive way. That's mean two conditions will be combined as a same as a positive meaning or as a meaningful sentence. Okay, dear student, next point is second condition. The second condition contains if plus past indefinite and past conditional. That's mean would. You know, past conditional means you have to use would, might plus base form of the verb. That's mean if I reach late, I would miss the function, I would miss the audience, or I would miss the other thing. It will be you can be also use other part of the sentence. That's mean the would plus base from the verb plus the meaningful part of the word. That's mean if I reach late, I would miss the function. In the same condition also find unless or if plus not. You have to use the other part of the sentence. It may be negative or positive. Just like unless you invited me, I would not attend the party. So in the sentence unless it contains a negative meaning, so I also used here not. That's mean unless you invited me, I would not attend the party. Okay, dear student, other part of the same condition is wishing utterance or Isaboduk Bakko. It contains had or where. Just like if I had a lot of money, I would have helped the poor, or I would have helped my surroundings, or I would establish a hospital, or I would establish an orphanage. That will be correct. The next one is third condition. Third condition, if plus past perfect and past perfect conditional. That's mean might have, would have, could have, should have. Just like if I had seen him before, I would give him some message, I would give him the message. Just like it had, he also given it. Would have plus past present form of verb. Just like if I had seen him before, I would have given him the message. That's all. The last one is zero condition. That's mean you have know that both sentences are contains as present tense. Here also we know using of conditional. Just like if we heat iron, it turns into red. It will not turn as red, or it might, or it can, but could not. Here also we not needed to use any modal word. Just like if we heat iron, it turns into red. If ice melts, it becomes water. If ice melts, it becomes water. That's the zero condition. On the other hand, we also use unreal past. That combined as a past condition or same condition of the that's the representative of the same condition. That's all, dear student. That is the conditional word or conditional sentence of the things. Okay, dear student, try to cope up something from the class, and if you found any problems, you will be asking me. I will try to solve all things. Okay, dear student, goodbye. Okay, bye.